Okay guys, I'm going to do something completely different with this channel. I'm going to upload these weekly Loom videos that you can take away some information from. These are real life problems that we solve with businesses, problems that they are struggling with, and you can benefit from them because you can implement these solutions within your businesses yourself or try to figure out your own way whilst having these resources available to you. I'm going to get straight into what we're going to discuss today. What I see with a lot of service-based businesses is that they're still booking manual appointments in their agenda with their clients. So if you work with clients, booking meetings manually costs time. So back and forth emailing, confusing in time zones, or double bookings, and it can stack up really fast. So Calendly solved this by giving clients a specific time frame and they can choose from it what works for them based on their real availability. You can stay in control, set buffers between each meeting, define how far in advance that clients can book, and automatically send confirmation emails and reminders via email and text message. You can create different booking links for different types of calls. That helps you keep your calendar organized and is going to give each client clarity on what each meeting is for. For service-based businesses, it's going to create structure instead of scattered communication. You have defined flows per offer, onboarding, strategy calls, follow-ups, and so on and so forth. It integrates with your tools like Google Calendar, Zoom, Teams, so it runs automatically once you've set it up. You don't need to explain everything after that. Clients book, the system handles the rest. It's not about automation for the sake of it. It's about creating fewer interruptions, more clarity, and smoother workflows. And that's what we're doing with our companies, as we are also implementing with the companies that are in service-based businesses, or whether this tool is a benefit for our clients. This is the Calendly interface when signing in. You can link your Google Calendar, Zoom, Teams to this Calendly. When signing up, it's going to automatically then book your calls within your calendar that you have set up right there. Just keep in mind, this is a free plan that I'm on. We're not using Calendly within our own businesses because we have other tools that are similar to Calendly. It is doing just the same thing. We use Calendly for clients because they love Calendly and they want to work with it. Or we have also other tools that we present to clients depending on the situation that they're in. For this one, I've booked a discovery call. When I click on it, you have different parameters that you can set up. First is the event name, the duration of the call. You have the location, availability, when you're available. You can set up everything, and also the time zone that you're in. Calendly is going to present times that are available in their time zone as well, so you don't have time zone confusion. You have also a couple of more options. Let me go through that as well. A description, what is the meeting for? Your client that is booking the call has an ID. Okay, that is what we're going to discuss within the time frame, 30 minutes on that day. Then you have buffer limits. You can set a buffer from times before the meeting and after the meeting that no person or no other client can book a call. So you have time in between to maybe add your notes to your documentation platform that you're using, or to do something different to round up your call with your previous client, and you have time for that. Free and busy rules, not going to get into detail for that one. Then you have a booking page option, automatically detects and shows the times in my invitee's time zone. Make sure this is checked. This is the option that is going to make sure that your invitee's time zone shows the times that you are available and they can book the call in, so there isn't any confusion when the call is going to be. Next up, we have the invitee form. This is also something that I should suggest you to add. You can add certain questions that you can ask to your client. So you have information from them. That can be a company name, what their website is about, what their phone number is, or maybe also have an idea what their current setup is, or something about a topic that you are solving for that type of client. It's going to make your life easier having some upfront information. You even can collect payments if this is, for example, a paid call, it's a longer call, or it's a service that you are providing within the call. You also can add Stripe or PayPal to your Calendly account. We don't have set it up within this because we use other tools, but you can add them. It is pretty straightforward process that you can go through the steps. Notifications and workflows. You also can add notifications and workflows. So for example, basic notifications we've set up within this booking link is the invitation, an email reminder, a text reminder, and an email follow-up 1 hour after the event. You can adjust each notification to your liking, even the message that you want to send or the subject of the message. Confirmation page, you can link them through a page that you want to confirm them from, or you can just have them go to the default confirmation page. You'll save your changes, and that's about it. You have set up your booking link. You can copy this link and embed them within your website, or you can just copy that link and send them when a client reaches out to you. It's up to you how you want to implement it, but it's pretty easy. You just copy it, you open a new browser tab, you paste it within, and you can see the discovery call that we have set up and the available times that the client can book a meeting. So for example, on the 7th, we have a couple of times available and I can book the meeting, and there we have all of the questions that we've set up, the name and the rest of it, and this can just schedule an event. We don't use Calendly in our own businesses. Why do you wonder? We have other systems that are similar to Calendly that we use within our setup, and I'm going to run you through that as well to give you a couple of other options. Within our own main business, we use Odoo booking links. It's set from inside the Odoo space where they can schedule a call. Also, you can have calls that collect a payment. Within Small Steps, Big Impact, we also have a booking link, but we're using it through Flowzy. It's a different type, but it's doing the same thing basically. So these are the booking links that we've set up. And if you want to know more about Calendly itself, please just reach out to us. We're happy to help and see if it can benefit you and your business. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.